Y'all see this? It's coming down today in Detroit. I think it kind of hit us all of a sudden because I didn't know it was going to do this today. Roads is real slick. The wind blowing hard. My grandson's at their second bus stop coming home from school. They usually get home around 4 o'clock. And they say one of the buses didn't even come. But they should be here soon. They said the second bus said that it was coming at 5:03. So hopefully they're about to get on it, because I told them it's too slick for Grandma to come back out. Wow. All right, guys. Have a blessed Wednesday. Happy Hump Day.